In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DALL-E and ChatGPT to create stunning images as per the latest DALL-E update. This process is an exciting way for anyone interested in digital art or artificial intelligence to explore creating visually appealing content with the help of advanced AI. So, let's dive right in and go through the steps together. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. Once there, you'll find the search bar where you can type in ChatGPT. This will lead you to a set of results, among which you'll see options related to ChatGPT, including the official ChatGPT website. It is important to ensure you select the right website to avoid any confusion, especially given the multitude of resources related to ChatGPT that might pop up. Upon clicking on the correct link and arriving at the ChatGPT website, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly interface that is both intuitive and welcoming. This is where your journey into creating stunning images truly begins. Now, let's talk about formulating your prompt. Crafting a well-thought-out prompt is crucial as it significantly influences the output you'll receive. Think carefully about the style and elements you want the AI to incorporate into the image. Let's walk through an example. Imagine requesting, create an oil painting in Van Gogh style showing a cozy wooden cottage glowing warmly amid a snowy forest at sunset, with swirling textured brushstrokes and a vivid palette of oranges, blues, and whites capturing the contrast of warmth and cold. This prompt is detailed and specific, ensuring that the AI understands precisely what you're aiming for. After you have settled on and typed your desired prompt into the input area of the ChatGPT interface, find the Submit button and click it. This simple action sends your request to the sophisticated brains behind DALL-E, kicking off the magic where creativity meets technology. A little patience goes a long way as the AI processes your input to generate an image algorithmically crafted to meet your specifications. While waiting, it's helpful to remember that the AI's capability has grown significantly with the DALL-E update, aiming to produce more lifelike and creatively profound pieces. Once the output is ready, you'll see an image that reflects the details and artistic nuances you requested. Feel free to experiment by tweaking your prompt if you're looking for something slightly different or wish to enhance certain elements further. And that wraps up our guide. By following these steps, you can easily leverage the power of DALL-E within ChatGPT to create impressive, high-quality digital art. Don't hesitate to explore various artistic styles and themes, as this tool presents endless possibilities and a perfect platform for creativity. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Enjoy your new AI art endeavors.